That can't be happening! Oh my god! I swear to god, I didn't do anything! He just crossed! He just crossed!
Dowsing originated in ancient times and was treated as a form of divination. It is a type of divination used to attempt in locating groundwater, buried metals or ores, gemstones, oil, claimed radiations, gravesites, malign earth vibrations, and many other objects and materials without the use of a scientific apparatus. It is also known as divining, doodlebugging, water finding, or water witching. Today, we are going to be using this dowsing method to find underground pipes and battle it out against modern technology. See which one will be victorious.
Let's have a crack. Let's see what these do.
Elbows down against your side, pretty well straight. Don't grip them hard, nice and loose so that they flop around. And then just walk. Walk slowly. And when you find something, they'll start to cross. I don't know why they cross or how they cross, but they just do. And what I've found, it's usually the back of my foot is the line of where they are.
Alright, well I'll mark it.
So right here, there's something there. I don't know what it is, but there's something there.
Alright, give me a shot.
Hold them nice and loose. Don't grip them with your finger. See?
I'm still very skeptical. Well, I might try it with the locator. I'm going to put the transponder on and see if it works.
So what's going on here?
So, I'm testing it electronically. We're clipped on the wire, so we should get an exact signal. So I turn the frequency down as I do it. And that gives me an exact height.
Yeah.
So I'm showing 550 mil, and that's the line that it's in.
Fair enough. Now well, proof's in the pudding. We'll see.
Now let's get the big guy out to see who is going to be the final winner of this battle.
Rocks.
Thanks for watching today. I think the results are pretty clear. The NDD definitely found the winner. The winner was the locator, but the rods do work a lot better than I thought, to be honest.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. If you did, please press like and subscribe, and see you next time.
2,000 years later.
That's a wrap, guys. Let's go.